Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Justin.
And I'm Lucy.
Together we are
Juicy.
You tell we didn't rehearse. Anyway, today's video is about this beautiful, not the dog, Marley, say hello. Say
hello, Marley.
Don't worry, Marley's not getting used to this.
He's got a quiff going on over his eye, look.
So what we're doing today, we're talking about, although our dog's beautiful, this incinerator from B&Q. Here you go, it comes with a lid. Effectively looks like a metal dustbin, okay? We've used it a good few times. We've emptied it out for this video. We're going to show you how it burns and what we burn in it. So you've got the lid there, little chimney pot, a handle, which obviously goes on the top. And then you've got a metal bin with pre-drilled holes in it. And you've got 3 little stands at the bottom. So what are we burning today? Now we use our incinerator. If you go back a bit, darling, we use our incinerator for all our garden waste, any extra cardboard and stuff that we can't fit in our recycling. So we use our bins, our recycling bins and everything else. But all the garden waste, every time we cut the grass, cut leaves, we bung it in here, we let it dry for a couple of weeks, and then any extra cardboard that we can't fit in the recycling, okay, we push in here and we have a burn once every couple of weeks, something like that, okay? So you've got palm tree leaves from our palm tree, you've got some cardboard in there, yeah, you've got other bits and bobs in there, pizza boxes. Actually, like, if you didn't know, guys, pizza boxes you can't put in recycling. You know why?
Why?
Because of the grease on the box.
No.
I deal with it in my job.
I didn't know that.
So you can't actually, a cardboard pizza box you can't put in the recycling. So this is perfect for it unless you want to chuck it away in the rubbish. So it can be hard to get things going to start with, yeah? So I use a couple of things. I've got some firelighters, okay? Just some cheap little brick firelighters there. So I'm going to place one of those just under the leaves, just above the cardboard, okay? Now, if we can get away with just using that, we will. But if not, then I chuck a bit of barbecue fluid on it, just to get it going until it catches, and then we are off. So, should we give it a go?
Let's give it a go. I'm just going to pause for a second.
Okay, guys, we've got a trusty little lighter that we bought somewhere.
A shop.
Here we go. So we try and zoom in for you.
I can't see. There you go.
Oh no, the light is not working.
Are you kidding?
Let's go.
It's because you held it upside down.
No, the light is not working.
There it is.
There you go. Right.
Fire.
At least we'll keep a camera on that. And we'll see how we get on, guys.
Don't know about you guys, but I love watching fires. It's so much fun. Obviously, controlled fires.
Let's get Lucy on the screen. For guys that haven't seen Lucy.
Hello.
Lucy, if you go close to the fire.
I don't want to burn.
Let me put you on 0.5, guys.
I don't want to get too close.
There she is. You right, love?
Oh, I'm good, thank you. I might go that side because I'm worried about burning.
So for those of you that are subscribed to the channel and follow us, this is Lucy, you know her already. And for those that are new to us, welcome. You're all welcome on this channel. And we do lots and lots of stuff. So here we go, guys. Let's have a look at the fire. Can't be getting too close, guys. Melt me bloody camera. Right, so what I'm going to do is set this up on a tripod whilst we're doing it. Let's have a go. Let's have a go. Get a bit out of shot there, guys. There you go, Luce.
Am I in?
You're just looking at the camera like...
I don't know what's going on right now.
Ah, bless her. Bless her.
You can tell I'm not a professional.
Come round here, baby. Come round here. Bless her. Right, so here we go. So that's a 1-time zoom, guys. Let's have a look at 2-time zoom. There we go.
Oh, it's on a wonk.
On a bit of a wonk. Here we go. We try and get it set up for you guys. Let's see how this incinerator does. Let's take you back to 1. Right, Lucy, if you just hold that there.
It's on a wonk.
Now I've got a metal pole, guys. Metal pole that I use to just push things in. You see all these leaves that are annoyingly falling out? Obviously we don't want that, do we?
I'm getting ash in my face.
Let's let it burn up a bit. and let's see how the incinerator does. So for those who don't know how an incinerator works, your oxygen comes in through these bottom holes, okay? That's where your oxygen comes in. So that oxygen comes in, feeds up through the fire.
Dropped.
Yeah, I know. Okay, this is why I have this. I have this, guys, so I can
Trusty
stamp stuff
steel.
out, push it in.
Get it?
Yes, I do, darling. Very good.
And there's another little fire.
Yeah. Now this is because of the palm trees, they don't fit in. It's just annoying. Try and push that in.
Yeah, but we do this like once every couple of weeks because we don't use our green waste bin. We don't actually pay to get rid of our waste, so we don't put any green waste in there. So instead we use this, and it's perfect. We just burn all our waste, our garden waste in here.
Yeah, we try and fit as much recycling and rubbish in the bins as possible, guys. But what Lucy's saying, the garden waste, like your trimmings from your leaves, any excess cardboard, you can't fit in there because our recycling bin's quite small. Then we chuck in here.
Yeah,
so
as well as our green waste, yeah.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. No lighter fluid needed. If we bring you around another angle, if we bring you around here, see if we can get you flat on the screen. And that's all right. Yeah, that's good. Nice and flat.
I don't know about you, but I love watching a fire, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
So much fun.
So here we go, guys. And then all these bits that are dropped off, carefully
Just.
chuck in.
Yes, Justin has gone red, if anyone hasn't noticed. Justin's hair is now red.
That's my natural hair colour.
Oh yeah, his natural hair colour's black.
It's not. Bloody brown.
It's black.
It's
black when it's greasy. It's brown when it's been washed.
So guys, while we're looking at this beautiful fire burning away and see how everything works, remember the oxygen comes in there, it comes up under the fire, and then you've got space there. Now you see all these little bits that are flying about. If you want to, you can put the lid on there. So I'll demonstrate putting the lid on. So I'll use this pole.
Whoops.
Okay. Like that. Now we're not going to keep it on there. We're just going to see what it looks like when it does. Now you see all that smoke coming out, guys? The smoke then pushes
Stinks.
out of the lid. Okay. The smoke then pushes. So we'll take it back off.
Ooh. It's burning down really quick, guys.
It's a raging inferno.
You can see how fast it's going down, look.
Yeah.
It's really going down quick.
What you remember, guys, like I say, when we put garden waste in there, so if you put anything with moisture in there, if you're going to try and burn it straight away, it won't happen. What will happen is you will just get loads and loads of smoke as it's burning off the water. So the reason this is burning so good is because all the stuff in there is bone dry, okay? All the stuff is absolutely bone dry. Let's get you there. There's the fire burning away. And we put our stuff in there, any recycling that we can't fit in the bin, like I've already mentioned, we put it in there, and once it's built up, we have a little burn like this, and it's good.
And it's fun, and we both enjoy it, don't we?
Yeah, I think there's a few palm tree leaves down there, Luce.
Yeah, there is.
If you want to grab them, if you instead of putting them in long ways, if you like try and fold them up, but watch your hands because it can be quite sharp. And we'll let you enjoy this fire, guys. So this cost us around about £20, I think, £20-25 from B&Q, a company in the UK. And it served us well. We've used it about 10 times and it's still going strong. We only bought it 3-4 months ago. Let's try and get a good view for you there. It works really well. And at the end of it, guys, whenever you finish burning, I always leave it, all the ashes, to cool down overnight, come back to it like a day or a couple of days later, because there's ashes just keep burning and burning. What I would do, here you go, Lucy's going to add some more palm tree leaves.
Oh no.
Okay,
That didn't
use
go
a pole.
very well.
There you go, guys. Yeah, push it in. Oh my god.
Help!
You grab us a watering can, please, Lucy. That's what happens when you don't put it in the fire properly, guys, okay? You've got to be really careful. It's not Lucy's fault, she's just scared of the fire. But that fear can lead to you causing a big fire. So, one thing I normally have, which for some reason I haven't today, I always have a watering can. If you just back it there, love. Always have a watering can, just in case there's any things drop out. So let's try it again, Lucy. If you grab that palm,
should I?
yeah, palm leaf over there, twist it up into a ball. Yeah, just twist it up into a ball, and then chuck it in like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
you twist it up, and then when you throw it, it opens up again.
There you go. Here we go, guys. Try not to melt the phone.
I think it's pretty much ash, isn't it?
No, it's still burning.
Still burning down.
Yeah, it's good. Let's get you down here, guys. And then to finish off the chimney, not the chimney, like I said, put our lid on.
Put a lid on it, Jazz. Put a lid on it.
Put a lid on it. Okay, we've got our lid on there now. Okay, and because it's bone dry, you'll hardly see any flames. But what I always do, as just a safety tip, especially as we've dropped a few things ourselves, get this water bucket. You just go around the outside of where things drop. Put a little bit of water in there. Just for safety. Should we see how hot the incinerator is, guys? I'll pour some water on it, ready?
Oh my gosh.
It's a raging inferno.
Huh?
Do you want to have a go, Lise?
Oh gosh, should I?
Yeah,
Okay.
just on the outside. Here we go. Not in the hole.
I think I've put it out.
Alright, that'll do. And there you go, guys. A nice little burn on a Sunday. If you want to come in, Luce, finish off.
Am I still filming?
Yes, you are still filming,
It's really
darling.
hot. It's burning my... Thank you for watching, guys. That was really good fun. I love doing this every couple of weeks. This is what we do regularly. So we'll do another video where we'll show you our new home. A lot of you will know that we have moved recently, well, the last 6 months. So we will show you a video of that. But yeah, until then, have a nice weekend, and we will see you very soon.
And when life gets hard, just keep on
Keeping on.
Take care, guys. See you in the next video.